Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my Calphalon Nonstick Dutch oven. It's great. I love it. I have the 7-quart version, or 6.6 liters, and it's great for several reasons. First of all, just look how cool it looks. It's very sleek, modern design. Second of all, the non-stick surface inside is very, very easy to clean. So we've had it for a long time and there's no stains or anything on it yet. Another cool design feature is that the lid is completely transparent. It's glass, so I never have to guess. I don't have to take the lid off to see if the water is ready yet. I just glance down and there can see everything. And of course the real neat feature about this, that is probably the reason you're looking to buy this, is these holes. When you line them up with this lip right here, it acts as a strainer, and you can strain out your pasta, and so you don't need to buy a separate colander or strainer. So my wife and I love this thing. We cook with it almost every single day, and it's a great purchase. It's been a good purchase for us, and I think it would be for anyone who needs something like this. And that's my point of view.